Hello and welcome to, or welcome back to, this channel about the Nasdaq Scalping bot. In this channel, we look at how the Nasdaq Scalping bot I created is doing. Is he making profit? Do we making change? And every day I give a report to all you guys to see how the bot is doing and what did change and did we make a profit or didn't we? And today, like any other day, we're going to look at those three things. If you want to see how the bot performed today, stick around. Well, as you can see, the bot is green, which means that there is a small profit going on. There's a buy going on. Yes, there is a buy going on. If I disable the bot for a moment, you can see that in the upper left, we see that the bot has opened a position to buy, and for the moment this position is in the negative. But if we look at the market to start with, for a short moment, we see that the market went up today all the way up to 20,689. And that's good. It means that there's something going on the market, and we can see if the bot took advantage of that action what was on the market today. But first we're going to look at the changes for today. And the changes for today are not that much. We talked about yesterday that there was an error with the resetter of the candles, and because of that, every time there was a new candle, the new candle was also removed once it was through the entire process. So the second candle and the oldest candle never got refreshed, and that was not good for the functioning of the bot. So all I had to do yesterday is change first fetch candles pop 0 into pop nothing. That's all I had to do yesterday before I restarted the bot, because I had to restart the bot. And I also changed something else this morning, because I saw this morning that there were some positions going on, and I was thinking okay, the bot closed, we have made profit, but there is a new session going on, and pick it up. So the bot did not react immediately after there was a change in the market, after he has just closed a position. So the continuance of a new opening of a position wasn't there. That only happens after 3 minutes. Then there's a full new cycle, and only after a full cycle it could detect a possible new position, a new opportunity to open a position, and then it was already gone. So I changed that in the code too, and that I did with, where are we? Handling existing contract. Yes, if an existing contract was open and it was closed, either because it had the 10-minute, or it is a stop loss, or it is take profit, then it will say it is not a contract open. Then still check the contract strategy. Look for if there is a new possibility to open right away at that moment a new contract. And you see that this is followed by if the session is given advice of buy or sell, open a new contract. Those were the changes of yesterday and today. I didn't change anything all. And the rest is all the same. Which means that the bot did work like it should be the entire afternoon and the entire evening. And there are no changes any more needed to the bot, only needed to the AI. And that's what we're going to do for the next couple of weeks, couple of days. What did I change? Did I change for the AI? And that is the data to the AI, because the AI had too much candles with hold. And because there were so many hold candles, it is not rightly balanced in giving the right advice in what to do or not to do. So after I conferred with ChatGPT about how we're going to change this, I decided to change the logging of the candling. And I have to take a look at this. It is at... There it is. I was looking for it. So if there is not a session open and we have contract strategy, then there is either a buy or sell. And if there is not a buy or sell, which means there is a hold, then lock the contract status as it is with a hold. Which means that only once every 3 minutes, when there is not a contract open, there will be a log entry with the value hold. And instead of every minute and every candle giving a hold, only 3 minute candles will get a hold, and still, that's what ChatGPT told me, and still it will have a nice flow during the day for AI to check that there is a pattern emerging in all of those holds, sells, and buys. But the real effect on it, I only know it after next weekend, or in the next weekend, then after this week, because then I have a new collection of data, and then I can retrain the AI with the new values and see if it has a better success on the prediction rate. Those were the changes, part 1. And part 2 is, did the bot function? Well, the bot functions. It should be. After all these weeks of testing and retuning and finding and getting out the smallest box, it should just work. It should just operate as it is planned to operate. And I'm not planning, like I did not last week, but the weekend before that, to make any coding adjustments, as in enhancement of the performance of the code, adding comments or changing variable names or changing function names, because that had only a negative effect on the bot's functioning in the week following it, and I had to correct all the bugs in the weeks every evening to prevent further losses. So I'm not going to do that anymore, because there is no need for, except when there's actually a bug in the bot that I didn't see, and we will see during the week if there are any other bugs presenting themselves. But for now, I don't do anything, and the only bigger change we're going to do is making the AI better and better, like we did with the bot, making it better and better. So part 2 of the daily report, does the bot does what it has to do? Yes, it has. It functions very well, and we can go on to part 3. And in part 3, we always look at how did we do with our profits. Did we make profits or did we make a loss? Because the target is still making a profit and the bot is profitable, but did it make enough profit to reach our next target on our goal list? And the next target is making a 5% every day profit of the balance. So 5% of the balance should be a profit every day. That's the next target on the list. And if we're going to look at the bot, we see the bot has a profit since start of almost 10:30 this morning. That's when I restarted the bot, of €4.50. That's not much, but like I said, every euro is one, and we are happy to make a profit, and we only can see if we make a better profit. And we're gonna take a look at the results of today. And if we look at the results of today, there is still, and we have half an hour to go, there is still a position open that just turned from blue into red. I thought it was profitable, but it's a buy. And you can see we're going down, so that's gonna be probably a loss. I don't think that there will be such a turn like we see this one before, but the day is coming to an end. You see that the ups and downs are getting smaller and smaller. The Bollinger Bands is getting smaller and smaller, which means there is less and less trading going on. So yeah, it's normal that there is, after 10 minutes, this is the 10 minutes, it will close for today. Well, let me take a look at the reports. And if we look at the reports, we just saw the 146 closing after 10 minutes. There's another one for €1 and one of 66 cents. But there is a blue one, another blue one, a lot of blue. That's good. I see €5 here, another €5, €4.50, €4. So this is good. We did good. And on the lower end, yes, because of some positions we missed and I had to restart the bot, there are some reds, but that's not a problem. During the night, I would say, but this is also the early mornings, we did some small profits. What is to be expected in the morning? And then in the night, the first position in the night was at almost 4 a.m. and then we make the loss of €1.02, and 3/4 of an hour later another loss of 17 cents, compensated with a profit of 21 cents. So that's compensated with that one, and those two are compensating this one. So it's going. And well, let's see, we ended yesterday with 433, and we ending today, although the day is not over yet, but I don't expect any more, we ended today with 431. It's $2, it's a €2 loss for today. That's a shame, but we will see how we do tomorrow. And now, for sure, because I don't need to fix anything about it, I want to try if the bot detects that the market is down, is going to sleep for 4,500 seconds, and then restarts itself and go on with the next day. That's the only thing I did not test. I could not test because I changed every evening something on or in the coding. So that's not what we want to do anymore if not absolutely necessary. So 2 euros down during the day, it's not that bad. If I'm gonna look for the entire week, the week started yesterday. We started with 425 and now we are at 431. So 6 euro for 2 days means 3 euro a day. Okay, not much. Stay positive. It's not much, but still it is progress. And let's see how it does for the rest of the week if I don't need to restart the bot, or if I see that it doesn't go well with the sleeping while the market is closed. Is there anything else I want to share with you guys? I don't think so. No, it's the daily report. It's not an entire video about the bot. It's just the daily report to keep you guys in the loop, and you can see what's going on and how the bot is functioning and what the AI does. And I can make a separate section in the video talking about the AI. I can add this, but for now the AI is only installed in the bot but has no real use for this bot right now. So I can spend some time on it, at least 30 seconds every day, to tell you that the AI still is not functioning, but that's only not helping anything. So I'm going to start with that section, how the AI does when the AI actually has something to do inside the bot. This was it for today. If you liked the video, press like. If you want to leave a comment, you're free. If you want to talk to me about the bot, you're welcome to see me at Twitch. Then we can talk about the bot. We can talk about the market. We can talk about your experiences on the market or with Python or with a bot. Whatever you like. I leave a link in the description. And I also have a Discord channel. And if you want to talk to me about it, again, the bot or the market, you feel free to join the Discord channel. And there are other people already in the Discord channel, so you guys can also talk with each other about your interest in the market and in the bot. Then I only less to say, subscribe, like, and comment, or like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you tomorrow. Have fun.